In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid through Visme, which is a website that allows you to make its presentation infographics. This website is trusted by these companies right here. So this is how it works. You sign up for their affiliate program right here, and then you will be given a link that you can promote on social media. And then if people buy one of these products here from this one, standard, business and enterprise, if they buy one of these, I have said that you'll be given a link, and if you promote it, so if people click your link, they will be brought to this page here and they buy one of these products right here. And if they buy these products, you then get paid a commission of 30%. Maybe on Facebook they've seen your link and they go to Visme and see that Visme is a good website to make maybe templates. And if they use Visme, like you see, Visme is trusted by big brands right here, so they stick with Visme, and then you make 30%. So if they pay $29, you get 30% of $29, and the next month if they again pay $29 and they will stick with Visme, like they will say, okay, we love Visme, we're going to pay monthly until maybe 30 years on Visme, you get 30% of that. So how do you actually get people to sign up so that you can make this money? So you come up here on YouTube and search for something like Visme is for making templates. So you come here on YouTube and search for something like how to make a presentation, and then you make a tutorial on how to make presentation. And if people come here, like see, this one has got 6.5 million views, and if people come here and watch your video, and if they click your link that will be in the description, you will make money. Or maybe you can do it on Facebook, on your website. So like if they this month they click your link and then buy, and then the next month they don't click your link, they just go directly to Visme, you also get paid. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. Watch this video, it also help you out if you are looking to make money online, and I'll see you in the next video.